Before we got merch over there, reasonable prices. Spend all your money on Real Mackenzie's merch first, and then if you got some coppers left, maybe you can buy some stuff off us. Yeah, this next song is about, well, the songs are all about either being pissed off or a combination of those two things. This one's both, yeah, what he said.
Actually, Joe, it's about the closest thing we ever got to writing a love song. But it ain't, so don't throw up just yet. I've been falling back in habits since I'm drinking on the school night. And she's crapping straight up too late. Don't in the office and I look like a zombie. Trying to get on half away. Making the expressions, standing backwards from the mirror. Looking at the expressions, isn't okay. Thinking to myself as I'm missing someone special. I'm such a kid, don't know what to say. Someone tell me what I have to do. I'm afraid and I'm a clue. Gotta bring myself to talk to you. Maybe I'm just part of the lie. Never live the eye, leave the conversation. Maybe just to rescue you, do it alright. Wake up on the floor, now we can depression. Don't let run into another night. Why? People saying I haven't got a chance. Why? Down in town, check out stats. Can I ever seem to get this right? Can I ever seem to get this right? Maybe I'm just blurring the lines. Maybe I'm just blurring the lines. Ice my drive. Make the conversation. I think I should actually kind of see you again. I tell you about the joy. Snap out of this depression. Down in the pub, I know I can't sustain. Someone tell me what I have to do. I'm afraid I remember a clue. Gotta simply fucking talk to you. Yeah, maybe I'm just blurring the lines. I can make this music got it to guts. Yeah, I gotta be a perfect second. I need a fix. Yeah, this right. Yeah, maybe I'm just blurring the lines. Maybe I'm just blurring the lines. Maybe I'm just blurring the line. Fuck it. As I say, thanks very much for watching us. Making the trip down on a Wednesday night. You know, go ahead and get drunk, you've only got work in the morning. As Joe said before, we've got CDs and t-shirts for sale, jammed in that corner over there. Not a bad price. We've got I can't call it a new EP anymore, it's been out for over a year, but later EP. It's only a £5. This is the title track off that. It's about the contents, or lack thereof, of Kenny's fridge. I'm pretty sure he's put all the stuff in the fridge since, but this song is about them. It's called Budweiser and Butter, nice one! Opportunity of rising as a woman laying off the door. You, nothing new, nothing to discover. That moon's gonna pull me under. Feel like my head's in the gutter. No, I just got wide to fire. No best I'm gonna recover. That moon's gonna fucking pull me under. Feel like my head's in the gutter. No, I just got wide to fire.